You must be Elena. I'm Damon, Stefan's brother. Great meeting you two.
You want a love that consumes you. You want passion and adventure and even a little danger.
I love you, Elena.
And it's because I love you that I can't be selfish with you.
Took on all your pain. Oh, what a great mistake I made. I never thought you'd leave me with all your burdens overneath me. I miss you would be
told me about the breakup.
understated memories.
So he didn't tell you why?
Nope. But I'm sure it has something to do with your
It's
last
just
few years.
another way to die.
You.
If heaven is a place you'll go, I don't know if I will ever see you. And if you leave before you know, I'll let go of all we've ever been through. I'm finding out the ways to live in spite of all the wars you left inside.
You know, I don't have to be at school for at least 20 minutes ago.
Both have scars to show off all the nights we carved alone. If you'd come back, believe me, I'd show you pain is not self-healing. Do you think of me at breakfast when you're hungry nights?
And you can say that it's a sire bond. You know what, maybe it is, but I'm telling you, it's the most real thing that I've ever felt in my entire life. I love you, Damon. Take the cure with me. That's how much I know this is real. That's how certain I am that I'm gonna love you, even after this is all over. We can be together, grow old together. This doesn't have to be hard anymore. I wanted to dance with you today.
If heaven is a place you'll go, I don't know if I will ever see you. And if you leave before you know, I'll let go of all we've ever been through. I'm finding out the ways to live in spite of all the wars you left inside my mind. Love is just a way to die.
You look stunning, if it isn't obvious.
Thank you.
Lately I've been waking up alone.
Look at me, Damon. Do you see a future with me? Because that's all I see.
Elena, I've seen it since the second I laid eyes on you. I will make it back to you. I promise.